Rocket Samsung Galaxy S24 5G smartphone, 50-point checklist. Money bag price and market details. 1 model variant, Samsung Galaxy S24 5G, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. 2 MRP, manufacturer's retail price approx 59,999 rupees, based on launch official listings. 3 Amazon India price, as of 28 October 2025 approx 34,738 rupees, current selling price on Amazon SmartPrix listings. 4 Launch release date, Global 3 October 2024. Straight ruler physical and structural specs. 5 Color variant, Graphite, deep dark grey black finish. 6 Dimensions, height 162.0 mm, 6.38 inches. 7 Dimensions, width 77.3 mm, 3.04 inches. 8 Dimensions, thickness 8.0 mm, 0.31 inches. 9 Weight, 213 grams, 7.5 ounces, considered slightly heavier. 10 Durability rating, IP68 water and dust resistance. Gear core hardware and performance. 11 Processor, SoC Exynos 2400E, 4nm, Deca-Core chipset. 12 RAM, dedicated 8GB LPDDR5X RAM. 13 Storage, 128GB UFS 3.1 internal storage. 14 Operating System, ships with Android 14, One UI 6.1. 15 OS update policy, guaranteed 7 years of major OS upgrades. 16 Cooling system, enhanced internal vapor chamber cooling. 17 Graphics, GPU Eclipse 940 GPU, for high-fidelity gaming. Desktop computer display technology. 18 Panel type, Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. 19 Screen size, large 6.7 inches diagonal screen size. 20 Resolution, FHD plus resolution, 1080 x 2340 pixels. 21 Refresh rate, 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. 22 Brightness, peak brightness of up to 1900 nits. 23 Protection, front Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. 24 Design aspect, clean, flat display with minimal bezels. Camera with flash camera system, imaging. 25 Main camera sensor, high resolution 50MP wide angle lens, f1.8. 26 Main camera feature, dual pixel PDF for fast and accurate focusing. 27 Optical stabilization, OIS, optical image stabilization, on main lens. 28 Telephoto lens, dedicated 8MP sensor, f2.4, with OIS. 29 Zoom capability, features 3x optical zoom. 30 Ultra-wide lens, 12MP ultra-wide angle lens, 123 FOV. 31 Night mode, enhanced nightography mode via eye. 32 Provisual engine, eye-powered image optimization suite. Movie camera system, video and front. 33 Max video resolution, supports 8K video recording at 24 fps. 34 High frame rate, 4K video recording at 30-60 fps. 35 Front camera, 10MP selfie camera, f2.4. 36 Front video, supports 4K video recording at 30-60 fps from the front camera. Battery power, charging and battery. 37 Battery capacity, long-lasting 4700 mAh non-removable battery. 38 wire charging, supports 25W super fast charging. 39 wireless charging, supports 15W fast wireless charging 2.0. 40 reverse wireless, 4.5W wireless power share, to charge other devices. 41 charging port, uses a USB Type-C 3.2 port. Personal computer I and user feedback. 42 generative I suite, full Galaxy I features included. 43 I feature 1, circle to search with Google. 44 I feature 2, live translate, for calls and chats. 45 I feature 3, generative edit, I photo manipulation. 46 user feedback score, Samsung retailer typically rates around 4.5 out of 5 stars, positive overall reception. Link symbol connectivity and security. 47 network standard, full 5G connectivity support. 48 Wi-Fi standard, Wi-Fi 6E support. 49 Bluetooth, Bluetooth 5.3 or later. 50 biometric security, optical fingerprint sensor, under display.